Hey Foxx Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the makeover I did for my home office. I'm a complete remote worker now, so I thought, hey, this is the perfect time to go ahead and jazz up my office a little bit. So that's exactly what I am doing in this video, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I had some help from my husband, a little bit of help. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. But first, if you are not part of the Foxx Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. And leave me a comment. I'd like to connect with you all. Share your boyfriend, with your girlfriend, your cousin, with your sister, with your brother. Share with everybody, y'all, because this is only part 1 of my makeover. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy, and I will see you in a little bit. You gonna help me, Jane?
Alright.
I need your help.
So you know everything you need my help?
Even though I know everything, I need your help. Now I am just going to take the legs off of my desk and put that unit there, the drawers underneath it as the legs on this side. Leave the legs over there because I don't have 2 drawers the same size. That one there is a little shorter. There is all of my crafted stuff underneath my desk. And then I'm going to decide how I'm going to rearrange everything. I got stuff all over my room. It's giving me anxiety. We purchased 2 of the PAX units, the 19 inches wide PAX units. in the color white. So we're gonna put those together and then decide where we're gonna put them in my room, my office, I'm sorry. I sort of want them on the side of this Vesta, but they stick out a little further, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna like it. But I'm gonna put it together and see if I like it. And if not, then more than likely we're gonna put it one on either side of the windows there. And then I'm gonna figure out if I'm gonna put that back in front of the window or leave it there. But more than likely, if we have to put them on the side of the window, I'm going to put it back in front of the window because I still have my two chairs that I'm gonna put back in my office. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on screwing those legs off and then assembling the PAX. So this is what it's looking like after we remove the legs and slid the drawer underneath. And now it is trying to assemble this PAX unit.
So you shit together?
What?
You doing every damn thing?
I know I asked you to help me.
But you know every damn thing.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you can't help me. there's still a few things that I am waiting to come in for my office, like my mouse pad. I think I might replace, actually I am going to replace, this is my laptop bag. I am going to replace these chairs with a settee or a small love seat. I found one that is about 50 inches long and about 20 inches wide, so it will not block the door for the PAX door, because I am very clumsy. If I keep knocking that against that, I'm sure the glass is going to break. But I don't know, it's sort of enough room for it to open. I have been trying to be careful with it, but just to be on the safe side. And plus, I think this is a little cluttered. Not really, because I have a lot of walking space here, as you can see. But I still think a little settee would be cuter there, or a love seat. And that way I can also put like one of those little chair tables there that actually, the L-shaped ones that go over the settee. I can sit and have a cup of coffee and gaze out the window. And it'll just give it a little more room over there. But yeah, so far, so good. That light went off since I walked past this one. It stayed on. But it's cool.